You're a coward. How did I ever manage to hook up with a guy like you?
Oh, shh.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. I don't like your shirt that much.
You sure?
Yeah, no sweat.
I mean, at least let me buy you a drink or something.
You're not gonna spill it on me again, are you?
I'm sorry, babe. It won't happen again. Honest.
Lee, you've been avoiding all of us recently. Is something going on? Are you okay? Lee!
You don't love me. I see the way you look at me. Who is she? All of my friends have rings. Diamond. Real diamond. What? You don't love me enough to buy me? You can't even stand up for yourself. You're having another pinned on. You can't even buy me a decent dinner.
Sam, I'm tired. I'm just so tired. I'm done.